Good morning, Jack. Today we are going to practice a real-life conversation. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, Anna. What is today's topic?
Today's topic is at the market. Do you like going to the market?
Yes, I do. I often go to the market on weekends with my mom.
That's great. When you go to the market, what do you usually buy?
I usually buy vegetables, fruits, and sometimes eggs or rice.
Nice. Let's start with a short role play. You will be the customer and I will be the seller. Ready?
Sure, let's do it.
Hello. Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to buy some apples, please.
Of course. How many apples do you want?
I want 6 apples, please.
6 apples. Okay. They are $2 per kilo.
$2 per kilo? That's a good price.
Yes, they're fresh and sweet. Would you like to try one?
Sure. Mmm. Mmm. Ooh, it's very sweet. I'll take 2 kilos.
Perfect. Anything else?
Yes. How much are the bananas?
They are $1.50 per kilo.
I'll take 1 kilo, please.
Great. Do you need any vegetables?
Yes, I need some tomatoes and onions.
Tomatoes are $2 a kilo and onions are $1.20.
Okay, 1 kilo of each, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all for today.
All right. Your total is $8.70.
Here's $10.
Thank you. Here's your change.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
That was very good, Jack. You spoke clearly and politely.
Thank you. It was fun. I feel like I'm really at the market.
Great. Now let's repeat some useful phrases from the dialogue. How can I help you?
How can I help you?
I'd like to buy some apples, please.
I'd like to buy some apples, please.
How much is it?
How much is it?
Excellent. Remember, using please and thank you makes your English sound polite and natural.
That's true. People always smile when you say please or thank you.
Exactly. Manners are very important in English communication. Let's add one more structure. Do you have?
Okay.
For example, do you have carrots?
Do you have carrots?
Perfect. You can use that to ask if something is available.
Like, do you have strawberries?
Yes, exactly. And the seller can answer, yes, I do, or sorry, I don't. Let's try a longer role play with that structure.
I'm ready.
Good morning.
Good morning. Do you have strawberries?
Sorry, not today. But we have fresh cherries.
That's okay. How much are the cherries?
$4 per box.
That's a little expensive. Can you give me a discount?
For you, $3.50.
Great, I'll take 1 box.
Thank you very much. Anything else?
No, that's all.
All right. Have a nice day.
You too. See you next time.
Excellent. You used do you have, how much is, and can you give me a discount perfectly.
Thanks. I feel more confident now.
That's the goal. Remember, learning English is like going to the market. You have to practice every day to get better.
I love that. I'll practice this dialogue at home.
Great job today, Jack. See you in the next lesson.
See you, Anna.
Anna, can I ask a question?
Sure, go ahead.
What's the difference between how much is it and how much are they?
Great question. Use how much is it for one item and how much are they for more than one.
Ah, I see. So if I buy one apple, I say, how much is it?
Correct. And if you buy 6 apples, you say, how much are they?
Got it. That's easy to remember.
Let's practice that. I'll be the seller again.
Okay.
Hello? Can I help you?
Yes. How much is this mango?
It's $3 each.
And how much are those oranges?
They are $2 per kilo.
Thank you. I'll take 2 mangoes and 1 kilo of oranges.
Excellent. You sound very natural, Jack.